Hey, boys and girls, welcome this morning. I'm glad you're here. We're going to get started. All right, here we go. Okay. Good morning. I'm missing my end mark today. What kind of end mark do I need? Listen to that sentence again. Good morning. What kind of end mark do I need? An exclamation point. Very good, because I am excited. Very good. Can you count the syllables in these words? Okay, we're going to tap out the syllables. Okay, so I'm going to I'm going to just tap them out on the board. Okay, you can take your hand. I like to put my fingers up. So when you're counting the syllables, remember, if you're doing the word popcorn, I don't think that's, okay, I was like, I don't think that's one of our words today. Popcorn, I would go popcorn. How many fingers am I holding? 2. So there would be 2 syllables, okay? If I said dinosaur, let's tap that one together. Ready? Dinosaur. How many? I would have 3. So if you'll hold up how many fingers as you tap, that'll help you know how many at the end. If we just clap, sometimes we forget how many times we clapped. Okay? So here we go. The first word is door. Say that. Door. Door. How many? 1. Okay, I think I heard a few people say 2. Listen, if it's 2, it would be door. Do I say go answer the door? Do I say that? No, I just say go answer the door. So it's door, 1 syllable. Next one, pumpkin. Tap it out. Pumpkin. How many? 2. Good job. Okay, next one, watermelon. Tap it out. Watermelon. How many? 4. Let's tap it again. Watch my fingers. Watermelon. 4. Very good. All right, and the last one is library. Tap it out. Library. How many? 3. Excellent job. Let's write the letter K. All right, K is a little tricky on that kick in and kick back out, okay? So that's what we really want to work on. Ready to make the capital K? Uppercase K, we're going to start all the way at the top line. You're going to dive down to the bottom. We're going to frog jump, but we're not going to frog jump back to the top. We're going to frog jump a little to the side, and we're going to kick into the dotted line and then immediately kick back out to the bottom line. Okay? So you kick in and you karate chop back down. Don't pick up your pencil. Don't pick up your pencil. The only time you pick up your pencil is after you do that first stroke down and you frog jump. Then you kick in, kick out. Okay, let's do it again. Ready? Get your hands ready. Dive down, frog jump over to the side, and we're going to kick into the dotted line, kick out to the bottom line. Okay, I'm going to write it so you can see it. I'm going to write 1 so you can really watch it, and then you watch me this time. Ready? I'm going to start at the top line, and I'm going to dive down to the bottom, frog jump back over to the side. I kick into the dotted line and immediately kick out to the bottom line. Okay, do not pick up your pencil from when you slant in and slant out. Ready? Do it with me. Here we go. Dive down, frog jump to the side, kick into the dotted line, kick out to the bottom line. 1 more, starting at the top. Dive down, frog jump over, kick into the dotted line, kick out to the bottom line. Very good. Okay, the lowercase k is made the same way, except for when you frog jump, you're only going to frog jump back up to the dotted line. Okay? So watch me do 1 and then we'll practice. Ready? So you're going to start at the top and you start all the way at the top line. Dive down to the bottom line. Frog jump to the dotted line. And you're going to slant in and then kick out down to the bottom. Okay, so it looks just like the capital except for it's a little bit smaller on the legs. Ready? So we're going to start all the way at the top line. We're going to dive down. Frog jump to the dotted line. Kick in and kick out. Let's do it one more time. Start at the top line. Dive down, frog jump to the dotted line at the midline, kick in, kick out. Okay, ready? Here we go. Do it with me. Start at the top line, dive down to the bottom, frog jump to the dotted line, kick in, kick out. Sometimes I say dotted line or I'll say midline. It's the same thing. Okay, talking about the same thing. Here we go. Starting at the top, dive down, frog jump to the midline, kick in, kick out. Very good. Do you know these words What end mark do I need? Listen again. Do you know these words? I need a question mark. Why? Because I am asking a question. Ooh, I don't know that I've ever made a question mark upside down. That's kind of hard. All right, let's read the words. Here we go. Let me hold my board up this way so you can read them. Let's read them. Words. Oh, sorry. Little. Brown. 5, 1. Very good. Have a fantastic day. Excellent job, boys and girls. All right, so today we're going to go ahead and we're going to do some of our sight words. Let's see if you can beat me on it, all right? I've mixed up the words, so my sets aren't the same, but this is still about half the words. Here we go. Orange, purple, brown, white, pink, black, is, at, like, go, be, his, as, that, one, they, of, what, little, am, it, he, down, will, to, she, when, all, do, there, 8, 6, 4, 2, 9, 7, 5, 3, gray. Very good. Excellent job on those words. Tomorrow we'll do the other half. You did so good. Okay, so we've been reading the If You Give a books. So today we're going to do If You Take a Mouse to School. Now I'm just going to say, for those of you that know me, if one of my students brought a mouse to school, Miss Ring would be gone, okay? Somebody else would have to come teach my class because Miss Ring does not like mice. I can handle looking at this mouse because he's a cute cartoon, okay? But So let's see what happens when the mouse gets taken to school. What do you think is going to happen? I want you to think for a minute. What do you think would happen if you took a mouse to school? Just think about it for a second. This is by Laura Numeroff and illustrated by Felicia Bond. I'm going to let you think while I'm flipping to the beginning. Okay, let's see what happens. If you take a mouse to school, he'll ask you for your lunchbox. When you give him your lunchbox, he'll want a sandwich and a snack for later. Then he'll need a notebook and some pencils. He'll probably want to share your backpack too. Look, he's inside the backpack right there. Can you see him? Let me hold it right there. He's right there. When you get to school, he'll put his things in your locker and take a look around. Oh, so he put them back there in his cubby. We call them cubbies. He might do a little math and spell a word or two. He'll even try a science experiment. Ooh, sounds like some of the things we do at art school. Then he'll need to wash up. You'll have to take him to the bathroom. Once he's nice and clean, look, he's looking at himself in the mirror. He'll be ready for his lunch. On the way to the lunchroom, he'll see some building blocks. He'll build a little mouse house and make some furniture out of clay. Then he'll need some books for his bookshelf. He'll start by writing one of his own, so he'll need a lot of paper. He'll probably use up all your pencils. When he's finished, he'll want to read his books to you. Then he'll want to take it home, so he'll put it in your lunchbox and tuck it in a safe place. When the bell rings, he'll run out to wait for the bus. While he's waiting, he'll play a quick game of soccer. Then he'll ask you to shoot a few baskets. And do a little skateboarding. When he stops to catch his breath, he'll want to eat his snack. So he'll ask you for your lunchbox. And chances are, if he asks you for your lunchbox, you'll have to take him back to school. Okay, so does it sound like the mouse had a good time at school? Yeah, did he learn a lot? He did. He got to play and have a good time, didn't he? All right. And he even got to build some things. Do some of you get to build things at school? Yeah, we build in our class, don't we? We do. Okay, so normally I give you a writing assignment at the end of the story, but I'm going to let you choose. He went outside. He went to school. So you can write about your favorite sport. It could be an outside sport, or it can be something like cheerleading or dance, something that maybe isn't outside. Or you could write about your favorite part of school. Okay. I know right now we're missing school. I'm missing school. And I'm missing seeing my sweet kiddos' faces. But we're still getting to do school right now, and we're still together. So what's your favorite part about school? So you can choose what you write about, okay? So you can write about what your favorite part is of school, or what your favorite sport is, either one. All right, so we're going to practice substituting out sounds again, okay? So I'm going to give you a word, tell you a sound to substitute out, and then I want you to change the word for me. Ready? Your word is hut. Change to I, and you get hat. Very good. You have map. Change p to t, and you get mat. Good. How about if you have the word hut? Change h to n, and you get nut. All right, one more. Let's say you have the word pack. Change the I to I, and you get pick. Good job. All right, let's do our math lesson today. We've made the numbers 5, 6, 7, 8. So today we're going to make the number 9 and 10. You're so smart. Tomorrow we're going to do something maybe a little bit different. We'll have to wait and see. All right, here we go. So making the numbers 9 and 10. So we have 4 ways of making the number 9. That's what we're going to do first. So remember, use those 2 colors if you have it. If you don't, just make 2 different shapes. Okay. So I'm going to start with, I'm going to make circles, and then I think today I'm going to make an open circle, and I'm going to make a circle that's kind of colored in. How about that? That'll be my 2 different colors. All right. So let's say to make the number 9, we'll start with 3. So if I have 3, how many more do I need to make 9? Okay, 6. Let's see if you're right. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, does that equal 9? It does. So what's my equation? 3 plus 6 equals 9. Let's read it. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Very good. Okay, let's do how many? 7. Okay, we can do 7. 7 is, so if I have 7 circles, how many more do I need to make 9? 2. Okay, let's see if you're right. 1, 2. Does that equal 9? Yes, it does. So what's my equation? 7 plus 2 equals 9. Very good. Let's read it. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Good. Next one. How many am I going to start with? All right, we're going to start with 8. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I have 8, how many more do I need to make 9? 1. Okay, let's see if that's right. 1. All right, is that 9? Great. So what's my equation? 8 plus 1 equals 9. Good. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Let's read it. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Good job. All right, last one of making 9. We're going to start with 2. Okay, so we're going to start with 2 circles. So how many more do I need if I have 2? 7. Okay, let's see if that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Does that equal 9? It does, so it's my equation. 2 plus 7 equals 9. Good, so we have 2 plus 7 equals 9. Read it with me. 2 plus 7 equals 9. Great job. So those are all ways of making 9. There are more ways. That's just 4 of the ways. See if you can figure out more ways of making 9 today, okay? All right, next one, we're going to make the number 10. All right. Tomorrow we're going to move into the teen numbers. All right, 10. So what makes 10? 5 and 5. Let's see if you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does that equal 10? It does. So we have 5 plus 5 equals 10. Let's read it. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Good. Next one. Tell me a different way. 2 and 8. Okay, let's see if you're right. 2. I heard 2. 1, 2, and 8. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so did 2 and 8 equal 10? Yes, it does. So what's my equation? 2 plus 8 equals 10. Let's read it. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Good. Tell me another way to make 10. 7. Okay, so 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Does that equal 10? Yes. So what's my equation? 7 plus 3. Very good. So let's write it. 7 plus 3, and that equals 10. Let's read it. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Very good. All right. Let's do one more. 6. Okay, let's do 6 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I heard 6 and 4. So let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 6 and 4, does that equal 10? Yes, it does. So what's my equation? 6 plus 4 equals 10. Very good job. All right, so today when we finish, or just later in the day, take a break and then come back to it later. But I want you to see if you can find all of the ways of making 10. We only did 4, but there are more. So see if you can finish making 10, okay? All right, before we leave today, let's count by pennies. How many or how much is a penny worth? 1 cent. Very good. So we have the penny. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Very good. So we're going to count by ones. So let's start at 1 and we're going to go all the way to 100. Put those fingers up on the tens. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Very good, boys and girls. All right, remember, you're going to write today about either your favorite sport or what you like best about school. Read a book and then tell it back to somebody. Practice seeing if you can find all the different ways, all the different combinations of making tens, of making the number 10. Okay? And then just have fun. Play outside, try something new, and have a great day. See you tomorrow. Bye.